No, you're not seeing things. This is the brand new Hyper Tough 12-volt brushless impact driver. I was doing some shopping at Walmart yesterday and I came across this and I really could not believe my eyes, so I had to go back and buy it. This is a 12-volt max cordless impact driver. It says it's brushless, comes with a 2-year warranty. It comes with the tool, comes with a 1.5 amp battery, and it comes with a charger. You get all this for 60 bucks. It has the 2-year warranty. And explained in this 2-year warranty down here, I'll kind of just sum it up for you. If you have the receipt, you can take it back to the original store that you bought it from, and then we'll replace it. So that's any Walmart, you know, you just take it in there, show them the receipt, and they'll give you a brand new one. This is my M12 Milwaukee impact driver. This is also a brushless fuel model, and this is the new Hyper Tough one. They look identical. They feel identical. The weight is, I want to say, almost the same. The batteries are exactly the same. And the LED indicators on the side are exactly the same. This one has 3, this one has 4. And the LED lights in the front are exactly the same shape. The back of the tool is exactly the same. The only difference is this Milwaukee one is $100 on sale for the kit, and this one is $60 on sale for the kit. There is one small difference between these tools. As you can see up here at the top, the Milwaukee has this dial to where you can change the speeds. This one does not. This one is a variable speed trigger, so the harder you squeeze it, I feel like this one is a little bit more powerful just from the sound. I'm gonna do some testing and see the major differences. Now, build quality, this feels like a premium product. It is really heavy, and it's the exact same weight as this one. It has your nice belt clip right here. The construction, I mean, it just feels like a quality tool. It doesn't feel like this is some flimsy, cheap piece of plastic. You can tell it's really well built. The charger that it came with this, you just plug it in right here. They also have an additional charger that you can purchase separately, and that is the base mount where you just plug it in. So as you can see, it has the contacts right here, and then it also has this hole for charging, so you can use either one. This is a 1.5 amp battery. I was looking on the shelf at the different stuff that they had for 12-volt accessories, and they do sell the batteries. The batteries are 2 amp, but they're only $17 a piece, which is pretty crazy. I think the Milwaukee ones start out at, like, I want to say anywhere between $40 to $60 a piece. One difference with the collets, this one you just drop it in and it's ready to go, and then you just pull it out like that. This one, you have to manually lift this up and drop it in, and now it's locked into place. Not a huge disadvantage. It just takes a second longer to do it. I was really surprised that they would make a tool like this. It's an exact copy of the other one. We'll just see performance-wise how it works. I do like the idea of that warranty that they have a lot better than the Milwaukee one, because there's a Walmart on every corner and you can just walk it into the store. Milwaukee, you know, you have to send it in and then wait for it to get back. Usually takes about a week. Again, this is the 12-volt max cordless impact driver from Hyper Tough. I noticed they had some more 12-volt options. They have a rotary tool. They have a 3/8 impact ratchet. They had a brushless drill. It was not a hammer drill, but it was a brushless drill. And all of these things, they're under $70 for each one of them. I plan on going back and getting the rotary tool and the ratchet if this works out. I'm really hoping it works out. You know, it'll save me some money on tools, and the warranty's great. I appreciate you checking out the video. I'll see you in the next one. Here we can start out with something small. Here's the Milwaukee. Here's the same screw, the Hyper Tough. Try this out on something easier. This is going to be the ultimate test right here. I'm going to take these mower blades off. First I'm going to try it with the Milwaukee, and then I'm going to try it with the Hyper Tough. Alright guys, moment of truth. Can the Hyper Tough 12 volt impact driver pull this off? Alright, it struggled a little bit in the beginning, but it definitely took it off.